Welcome to UK Theme Parks, my name's Adam and welcome back. Now then, Chessington World of Adventures have officially announced a Croc Drop for 2021, the park's new drop tower which is replacing Rameses Revenge at the park. And it does seem an age ago that Rameses Revenge closed and this drop tower has been progressing for quite a long time. If you're new to the channel, you can go back, have a look at the construction of the Croc Drop during closed and open season last year, right the way leading up to the opening this year. Make sure you subscribe and we of course will be at the park for opening. Now then, the Croc Drop, a lot of people are hoping for a name change. Unfortunately, I'm going to get that. Takes an ordinary drop tower ride, but does make it look amazing. Absolutely amazing. The theme in which Chessington have put onto here, a kind of retro theme in which the park have done in the past. It's original idea. We don't have an IP this year. We have a completely original backdrop story. Let's go through the story. So, Brave the Drop, Release the Curse. Sit to drop in spring. That's when it's due to open. Obviously, with the pandemic time, it's not quite clear when the park will open. Those daring to plunge 25 metres into the giant jaws of a crocodile, Sobek, the ancient Egyptian crocodile god protector of the Nile, who has been possessed with evil spirits. Transform him into a cruel entity. With the once fertile Nile laying stagnant, riders must take part in a ceremony to banish the evil spirits, dropping into the crocodile mouth and freezing the waters back to the Nile. So we are expecting as well, from the original plans, there will be water sprays, much like, sort of like Rameses, but more of a mist in your face as you go down. And, you know, dropping into that, we're taking a really basic ride and we will be dropping into that wonderful structure which the park have created. Now you can see on the video now as well, you can see some of the shots from the park, you can see some of the theming they've put in. Bearing in mind the ride's not due to open quite yet and this is a little bit old shots, probably a few weeks old shots. It's not far now until the Croc Drop will open. This will be joined by the Blue Barnacle in 2021 to give Chessington a boosted ride lineup, a much needed boosted ride lineup given how busy they are during the bank holiday and holiday periods. What do you think? What do you think of Croc Drop? One thing we have noticed, as this ride is very similar, if not the same model to the one down at Paulton's Park, is that it has a higher height restriction, which we're a little bit surprised about. It says on here you need to be between 1.2 and 1.3 metres to be accompanied by an adult, so that makes the minimum height 1.2 metres, or 1.3 metres to ride alone, drop alone as they say. The Paulton's Park one, and I think similar models of this coming at 1.1 metre, so it is a bit strange that they are taking this. One thing you can also see from the shots is that there is a little batching area as well, and there is automatic doors going in. So be really interested to see whether or not the Croc Drop will have a pre-show rather than just enter, go on the ride. It's quite an enclosed building which they built. It's quite wide as well to go round there, even given the mechanical structure of it all. There's quite a lot going in that building. I wouldn't mind betting that we are going to get some kind of pre-show with the Croc Drop this year. A nice queuing system indoors, and of course there is a lot of space outdoors to queue as well. Whilst capacity is definitely a worry, if you can combine a pre-show, get people in the atmosphere, into the theme, it might work quite well for the park. And it is definitely going to be a spectacle. You know, we've had Rameses Revenge there for many years, which is a spectacle to watch. And by the looks of this Croc Drop, it is going to be another spectacle to watch, people going down into the crocodile's mouth. So what do you think? The announcement's finally come from the park. Chessington World of Adventures will open Croc Drop in 2021. By the looks of things, when the park reopens. What are your thoughts on the Croc Drop? We know it's been coming. It's now been officially announced. What do you think of the look of it? Let us know. Let us know in the comments below. We would love to hear them. Until we get to the park, that's it from the Croc Drop. Unless we get something new, we'll be when the park opens. Thanks for joining us today. We'll see you soon.